We're going to have our hot chocolates at the hot chocolate place, typical from Sundays in Barcelona, and I'm so excited. I tried to keep my eyes open because the light is so strong and white. It's very overcast. It's been raining a lot these days, but the weather is still nice. It's like overcast plus sunny days, spring, kinda, with a few days of rain. Still nice. Look, now the sun is here. We arrive at this place that is so peaceful. A very cute place. You can actually get married in here. You can see the people singing. It's pretty nice. It's like little angels singing. I don't know if I can go in. I think because there's little doors closed, but it looks very beautiful. I'm going out now again. I'm waiting for him. Look how cute cafe there. I can barely see a thing. Like the light is so white, but I feel like if I'm filming with the sunglasses, it's like I'm hiding from you or something weird. I don't like to talk to people or to cameras with sunglasses on. That's how it is. This is the nice little passage I was talking about in another vlog. Like, it's closed today because it's Sunday, but it's adorable little houses in the middle of the city. So cute. It's a little bit overcast, but I can't wait for my hot chocolates. We arrived in Gran Via. I always say that they should put more cafes and little shops in this avenue. I mean, they are already some, but not enough. There should be more. It's a beautiful avenue. It starts to be a little bit more springy now. The sun came out. This is a little bit of the view. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. You can see the sky a little bit wild. My parents like this hotel. Spring! I can't believe spring is here already. I totally adore this building and the building next to it. Like that one. Let's see if I can film closer. This one. The light is very special right now. It's like an overcast, sunny sky, quite wild. And city. Oh. I don't know if you can see with this light. Like a theater. It's pretty cute. Oh, so many people here. So now we are in Portal de l'Àngel, and the street we're going for the hot chocolate is really not far away. You can see the big shopping mall up there, the roof, and yeah, it's quite lovely. Portal de l'Àngel. No, it's actually completely down. So that means straight we have to go to La Catedral and ta-ta-ta, La Catedral de Barcelona. The street is ta-ta-ta here. Nice little tea shops here. Another nice shop. I love these ice creams, Amorino. Oh, so good. One of the smallest, narrowest, oldest streets that you can find here, and it's like the chocolate street. There's this cute store here, adorable shop. This is our place. Oh no. We are going here. Gosh, so good. Yum, yum. These old pictures of Barcelona here that I find adorable completely. One picture there. Look at these things. Are they so cute? I actually prefer the old Barcelona. It's pretty much the same. Very cute. Look at that. I always loved old pictures. So cute. So much chocolate. We got a little pastry. Another adorable shop. I always like these trees here, especially now that they're starting to grow their leaves. Lots of candy stores. Going back home. Home, I mean the neighborhood, this local area. Gosh, feels so much better. There's a very beautiful theater here. I love it. And we're walking in Gambia now. And there's this fantastic building right there next to the university. So beautiful. Yes, let's go. So we're going to the gardens of the university. It seems like that's like a celebration or something. Oh yeah, that's next to the university. Here you can see better. And there's this like food place or something going on in the street. So we're in, and it seems to be very like family friendly and loads of people and food and like a food market basically. Oh, big pumpkins there. Like a lot of people. Flowers, fish, vegetables. All the Catalan wines and coffee. Closer look to the university. Catalan organic milk. We have a lot of milk and cheese here. More Catalan products. Fruits and vegetables. Seems to be organic, all this. Just walking. We had a nice day. Walking and walking around the streets. Bakery. Everything else is closed today because it's Sunday. And as you know, on Sundays, everything's closed here. It's a really beautiful avenue with loads of trees which are low. I like seeing these little flowers in the cafe and the fire. There, the cozy fire. There's a lot of little shops around here that I love. Do these different floors here. And there's a building I love around here. Let's see if I can show you from a good perspective. I don't think I've ever shown this very typical Barcelona benches, and there's a very beautiful building here, and I see with the light you can't see at all. Now you can see a little bit better, not too much. And so we're trying to go into a McDonald's now because we have to go to the toilet, and everybody knows that McDonald's are very good toilets. So we are going. I have to say something about that. Tapas are not from here. Don't be disappointed. So we're at the McDonald's, and I asked if the macaroons have milk, and they do. Disappointed. The afternoon sun came out. It's not very warm, but very sunny right now. This beautiful view of the typical Gaudi Barcelona buildings right there. Da-da-da. Very sunny and bright right now. Like, I'm burning my eyes. We still have a little walk. This is the Basque place. And yeah, I love these green trees. I think the leaves just came out not a long time ago. Apparently those are apartments here. Shops. That's a nice cafe that I like. It's nice inside. A little terrace.